Okay, this is Chloe looking at her toys up here. Her foot's already dangling over the side. What's this, Chloe? What is that? Diggy, diggy, diggy. A diggy, diggy, diggy. Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpas.